Style. But Skywalk is closed, so and some bomb is already falling down. So this is the last video. Bye.
Love?
Bomb. Four.
Wait, guys.
War.
Let's.
War.
I will show you the house, the famous house. Here.
You want to take some in?
Yes. Oh, see? It's nice. Oh, see? It's really beautiful here. This roaster is just roaster. So it's good.
You are roaster alone.
Good. Yeah, it is beautiful, guys. First,
Yeah. It's beautiful.
yeah, I told you.
Again, I'll start.
See you on next stop.
Yeah, bye.
Bye. You can ride the boat.
Yes. I don't know from where you can come here. Because it
So guys, dito na kami sa tuktok ng bundok. And yeah, here's the view. Ang top. Sarado yung, what is it? Gondola. Sarado yung gondola. So, maglalakad kayo papunta dito. Tapos makikita niyo yung buong lake. So, yeah, with this, naglakad tayo. Bawal tayong magreklamo kasi yung kasama ko magagalit. Say hi. I said hi.
I'm looking for some interesting gift coins and everything, so I'm busy.
Yeah, okay. So yes, so guys, again, here is the view. House star. The church is there. Ay, ano yun? Simbahan dun. Show you guys. Dun. Kung yan yung famous na ano, simbahan. Yes, yeah. So, dito kami sa top. Pwede kayong mag-gondola papunta dito ba yun? Cable car, kaya lang closed down by September pa mag-open. So yeah, naglakad kami. Hiking ang peg. O, diba? Here, again.
You want to take photograph?
Yes.